Alrighty, so today we're going to be going over GBP USD. I'm going to break down these trades. So I called this morning in my free Discord chat, link in the description. All right, so you can see right here I said, so chart one I got is GBP USD daily structure bullish, 4 hour, tap it down into 4 hour fair value gap, and it's giving us a reaction off of that level. Once the 15-minute closes, we'll likely get our fair value gap confirmation. We did, and that's our order block that I noted right there as well. And then, like I said, it looks a little bit cleaner on the 30-minute, that order block right there. And so, yeah, I called all this morning in my free Discord chat room, as you can see, and that was the result. So GBP USD, this was a long play. So if it's a long play, let's take a look at this daily chart, see what we're cooking with here. So GBP USD daily chart is 1000% bullish. Okay, why do I say it's bullish? Because structure is bullish. You can see we're consistently putting in higher lows. We're consistently taking out previous day's highs, previous day's highs, previous day's highs. It's consistently grinding up, and at the moment it's drawing into what? It's most likely going to take out this. I see that it's trading up into that big bearish daily imbalance, but play price action and play what it's telling you. Okay, there's really no signs of any bearish reaction whatsoever off of this imbalance right here. It's still 100% bullish. It's still operating within a daily market structure being bullish. So play the price action, play what it's telling you. It's bullish, and it's right at the current moment. It looks like it is about to tag this high right here. I think that's where we're headed, where we're going to be headed for next. That's our draw on liquidity. Okay, that's our draw on liquidity. Is that high right there? Those spot stops. Okie dokie. So let's go down to a lower time frame now. So this is the 4 hour chart that I posted in chat. If you remember just a second ago, I said we are tapping into a 4 hour imbalance, a fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. We tapped down into that imbalance. We traded down into a discount marketplace. Okay, so that's very bullish. That's very bullish. And 4 hours is similar deals to daily. It's 100% grinding up. Structure is bullish. It's consistently making new highs. There's no signs of any bearish activity whatsoever on this 4 hour chart. It is all bullish. Okay, so that's what I liked on the 4 hour, was it was tapping down into that imbalance. All right, 1 hour is kind of the same deal. It was kind of choppy in here. This little period of consolidation where, you know, smart money was just accumulating orders, positioning themselves for that move up higher. And you can see we did end up having a shift in structure, and we had a switch to the upside. So now we're operating within a bullish market structure. Now I got the confirmation. So we did get that on the 15-minute actually. So right here. Now I get it is a little bit choppy in there. I get that, and that probably turned some people off. But coming into New York, we had this like big shift right here. See this? Let me just remove this 4 hour imbalance for the moment so we can see this a little bit better. So this is that imbalance that I had noted. See that? So we had an imbalance right there. All right, so we had this bullish imbalance that was created on that move up higher. That tells us that there was a lot of buying interest in that particular area. Okay, that's smart money footprint. We had an imbalance created, and we also had what else in there? We had a order block, which I noted as well. So again, that order block looks much cleaner on the 30-minute, but here it is as well on the 15-minute. These downwards candles right here, that's your order block, your bullish order block. Again, let's go to the 30-minute just so you can see it. See, it looks so much cleaner there. There's that order block right there. So we pulled back, boom. We came down into that order block. We traded down into that imbalance. That's all I needed to see. I had everything I wanted at that point. Again, the larger time frame, I'm trading with the larger time frame trend. 4 hour, tapping down into an imbalance, confirmation shift with our fair value gap, coming into a New York kill zone. We got our draw on liquidity. Now this is the PT. See this? So on the 1 hour, we had this fair value gap right here. Now I do think we're going to take out that high there. This is just a really low hanging fruit PT. And I don't want to hold overnight really. So we had this was also our draw on liquidity on the 1 hour. And what did we have inside that? So I took profits into the 80 institutional level. I figured, hey, I'm sure it'll chop a little bit in here. It'll reject once it taps into this imbalance, but a lot of times price will find its resistance and it'll find its support around key institutional price levels. So those key institutional price levels being the 0, the 20, 50, 80. In this case, we had the 80 level inside the imbalance. I figured it was going to want to tag that. It was going to want to draw up into that. So that was the PT, and boom, that's what we got. Now, I did take an L on the first trade on this. Okay. So I don't want to come across like I just completely nailed it. I did not completely nail it. I did take an L on the first trade. So I grabbed this pullback right here during New York kill zone again. Now, there was news at 8:30. That was the reason for this little wick down. It wasn't high impact news. It was medium impact news. So basically, I just brushed it off, which I shouldn't have. It would have been smarter to just wait on 8:30. Let that news, aka that stop run, is really all that was. Let that happen first. But I didn't. I jumped in before the news and I got taken out with this leg lower right here. Now, I ended up jumping right back into it. Okay, because even though that was a stop run, okay, you might look at that and say, does that worry you that there's a change in direction? Not at all. As soon as I saw something like that, I saw that big wick lower and 8:30 news, I knew that's all it was. It was a stop run. Okay, nothing's changed. The larger time frame still bullish, 4 hours still bullish. We're trading within that 4 hour imbalance at the moment still. This is not very convincing. This is not a very convincing move lower at all. Okay, so as soon as I saw that and I saw it whip back up, I knew, hey, I'm going to jump back into this. Same deal. It's the same entry. So it's the same. I grabbed this to pull back down into this order block area. So down into that order block, and same stop out point. It shouldn't come back down into that area again. If it does, then it's just then my thesis on it was incorrect. But I still thought it was going up. I just thought, hey, I got caught in a fake out because I decided to sit through news and I paid for it. Okay. But hey, I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to worry. I'm not going to start revenge trading like a madman. I'm not going to start going all in, trying to recoup all of my money. No, I like the trade. My bias still remains bullish. I just got caught in a stop run. Let's reposition myself and look for that next move up higher now, because and I was correct on this. That was the fake out. That was the stop run after they stopped out. Existing sell orders decided, hey, let's ramp it back up. I was able to capitalize on that next move up higher. Good risk reward. And with good risk reward, I was able to recoup my previous loss and come out with a profit today. Okay, so again, I took it up into that 80 institutional level inside that imbalance. I do, like I've stated, I do think it's going to tag these highs up here. I think that's next on its list, or that's the next level to go. But I'm just gonna be happy with my single and be content with that, be content with my green day. But yeah, that was the thought process behind all this today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join the free Discord chat as well. Link in the video description, 100% free. It doesn't cost you a dime to get in there, share your ideas with us and learn. And yeah, so I'll catch you later.